off with, for the people who have never heard of Zoma, who have never heard of Rhonda, talk to us about how you got your start. What has shaped you into the person today? Why are you so gung-ho in building women the way that you are gung-ho women founders? Take us back to where it all began and bring us up to speed.
Okay, so having a female prime minister, a female opposition leader, and a female president at the same time is like Christmas, my birthday, New Year's, and Carnival Sunday night for me. Because I truly believe in the power of women.
Mm-hmm.
I went back to school when I was 40 years old, and I always tell my story. I had 4 O-levels prior to that, but I was a professionally qualified person, but with 4
Mm-hmm.
O-levels.
Yeah.
So let that sink in for a second. I was 40.
Wow.
The very first semester I went back to school, Patrick Manning brought GATE.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't go back to university because I didn't want to. I didn't have the money or the opportunity. Mm-hmm. And I said to myself, you know what? I don't know how long this GATE going to last. So Rhonda, the thing that you can do very well is read, write, and remember. And I hopped on that train, Keron. I went from an associate degree to a bachelor's degree to a master's degree and now finishing a PhD. I worked and went to school. I was working shift and I was going to work in the morning, going to school in the evening. I was going to school in the evening, coming to work in the night.